Yes, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Welcome once more to Retro Spectrum. I'm Ewan Spence. Adventures in the ZX Spectrum and 8-bit retro gaming on Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook. Reviews normally come in, but I just wanted to show you. I say work in progress because I think this is going to be completely an always ongoing process. For a bit of, I can't believe this, a bit of Spectrum coding I'm doing, which many have already seen on the stream, and it is this. Which if we just pop up to the top, you see Twitch OBS scene generator version 0.3.2. So we'll just run that and you'll see exactly what's going on here. Rather than having the palettes and everything made up in OBS or scene elements or whatever, I've got the Spectrum to do it. Point that way, points the wrong way again, as always. So at the moment, you've got 9 choices here, and they give me the basic things that you need as a Twitch streamer before you start playing the games. It gives you your introduction text, get ready for the screen, and it gives you the away from the keyboard screen, and it gives you the end screen as well, and it gives you a little bit of choices as well. So for example, if we wanted to do a timer that ran for 5 minutes, we'd set the countdown to 5 minutes. We've got an aspect ratio, which we can change, which isn't completely perfected yet. I'll show you that because we have a test card. You'll see if we run the test card. It's in Spectrum Basic, and I've forgotten how to program the last two, get into the last 2 lines of the screen. 24 text columns top to bottom, but only 22 are available under Basic. So I need to read up the manual how to print in the bottom 2, and then we'll have that test card lined up correctly. The O is in the effective center bit of the 22, not at the 24. So that's not quite there yet, but there we go. Now, for example, you'll see in blue it says coming up a stream from Ewan Spence. Now we can change that. We can do some custom text. For example, it says, hello, this is a test. Just using the Linux command of the, probably going to call it ZX Twitch app. Okay, so I can just type that in there. It lets me just preview that text in blue. I'm going to trim the timer down to 1 minute actually, just as we put this up. And then we can display the start of the stream. So we can just press on 4. So those of you who have popped along at the start of a stream will recognize this one. We've got the 3 lines of text that we've done before. And we've also got a link out to the social media channels that you can connect to and follow me there. And you'll also see that I've done some user-generated graphics. So smaller than the emoji is the ZX Spectrum UDG. One for Twitch, one for Facebook, one for Twitter, and one for YouTube. Of course, with the color clash, I can't do a white arrow inside the YouTube one without having white on the outside. So I made the decision that that was slightly more recognizable, but still looked a little bit retro. And because we're just using a little quick hack, I can just tap on the keys to speed up the timer as required. Get to 0, flashes there, catches my eye, catches your eye. Maybe that needs a little noise in there or not. And yes, the option there is also have the yellow-blue loading lines going through as well, but not quite there yet on that one. That probably needs some animation in YouTube's going through. What else is there to show? We've got default texts. So, for example, if it's just going to be a random ZX game, we can just put in 2. We'll show up the ZX gaming. At the weekends, I have a tendency to run through on Train Sim, so we can just bring up all aboard the Train Sim world. Or again, we have those custom ones. And see, you can just put anything in there you like. So you can have 1, 2, 3 if you go from there, or you can have the debug one as well. What else? The AFK status, just if needed, is it's in the middle of the game. Again, it shows you the same as what you had for the countdown, but just saying it's away from keyboard back shortly, and I can be away as long as possible on that one. Any key to return. End of the stream. Again, pretty self-explanatory. Slight separation there. So those people who have just browsed to me on Twitch has highlighted call to action to follow me on Twitch TV, and the links back out to the other ones as well. I still don't have enough followers and viewers or whatever YouTube needs for a fixed URL to get Retro Spectrum running, so I've just asked people to search. Hopefully they'll find them quickly enough, or they will be able to scroll down at Twitch, Facebook, and Twitter as well. And you have, of course, standard Japanese anime quote see your Space Cowboy. So that's that. That's the Twitch OBS scene generator that I've been using to do the interstitial stuff. It gives the channel a bit more of a Spectrum feel. We're talking about Spectrum games most of the time, apart from the weekend diversions. So why not have a Spectrum drive Twitch? This is how I do it. Thanks for watching.